Hello dear student, today start from the revision actually based on the multiples and factor. It means that we have to find out the common multiples, factor and common factor. Okay, now the one by one example we have to discuss it. Find the first common multiple of the 6 and 9. Common multiple, it means that we have to use the multiplication table. Okay, so simple actually. Find the first common multiple of 6 and 9. First of all, we have to solve this example. Solution of the example, first of all we have to write down the table of 6 and 9. Table of 6 is our 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. And the table of 9 is our 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 8, 90. Then we have to find out the common multiple of both the number 6 and 9. First common multiple. First common multiple. Now see for the example for the table of 6 and 9. Obviously these are 18 is the first common multiple because 6 3 ja 18 and 9 2 ja 18. Here will be 18 is the one of the number is the first common multiple. Otherwise 36 is also a common multiple of 6 and 9. Okay, because 6 6 are 36 and 9 4 are also 36. Okay, definitely your answer will be come in the common multiple of the first common multiple of 6 and 9 is 18 and 36 is also correct answer, but your answer your question is what, find the first common multiple, that is why your answer is what, 18 is the correct answer. Now the question number second, find the fourth and fifth common multiple numbers 2 and 3. Definitely, solution of the given example is our first of all we have to write down the simple multiplication table of the 2 and 3. Write down the table of the multiplication table of 2. It will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 14, 16, 18 and 20. This is a multiplication table of 2. Next one is that for the 3, we have to write down the multiplication table of 3. It will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Then we have to find out the common multiple of 2 and 3 is our, now see, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30 is the common multiple of for the 2 and 3. Why? Because 2 3 ja 6 and 3 2 ja 6. Next one is 12. 2 6 are 12. Here will be 3 4 are 12. Next one is 18. Here will be 2 9 are 18 and 3 6 are 18. Next one is 24 because 2 12 are 24 and 3 6 are 24. 3 8 are 24. And next one is 30 is one of the example because 2 and 3 is a common multiple of the 30 is one of the example. Okay, then we have to find out the fourth common multiple. We have to see the fourth common multiple is 24 and the fifth common multiple is 30. Okay, this is our way we have to solve the example, and actually so simple example, not a difficult. We have to find out the common multiple of the 2 and 3. Solve the common multiple of the example. We have to use a simple multiplication table. We have to first of all we have to write the simple multiplication table, and then we have to find out the common multiple of the number. Any number, your number is given to you. By using the number you can be solve it. Check the divisibility of each of the following number. Check the divisibility rules. In the last obvious video, I already discussed the check the divisibility of the each of the following numbers. For the first one example, here will be 125 for the divisibility by 2. Now we have to take it 124 for the divisibility by 2. Obviously, definitely correct because in the last digit is what I already discussed, divisibility rule. Divisibility rule for the 2 is the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. This called as the divisibility by 2. It means the solution of the example is the last digit is our 4. Definitely is our 4 is completely divisible by 2. So we have to use the so simple division method. Here will be 124 is our divided by 2. 124 divided by 2, we have to use a simple division method. Here will be 2 6 are 12 and 2 2 are 4. That is why your answer will become in 62. Therefore, the 124 is also completely divisible by 2. Divisibility rule I already discussed in the last OBS video. I already discussed it. That is why your final answer is what? 124 is the completely divisible by 2. Why? Because in the last digit is a 4 and it is completely divisible by 2. Okay, so simple, we have to use the division. Now we will start from the next one example. Now see the example number second. 150 for the divisibility by 6. The solution of the example is our 150 is completely divisible by 2 and 3, because it a divisibility rule is what? First of all, we have to check it the divisible by 2 or 3 or not. Okay, first this is our way we have to solve the examples. The solution of the second one example is what? 150 is a completely divisible by 2 and 3. Just we have to check is 150 is a divided by 2. Definitely your answer will become in 75, because 150 is divided by 2. Here will be 75 times. 150 is divided by 3, because 3 5 is 15. This is our 15. 15 is a correct answer. Therefore, the 150 is a completely divisible by 6. Once again, therefore the 150 is a completely divisible by 6. The divisibility rule of the 6 is what? We have to check it the divisible by the 2 and 3. It means that 150 is the completely divisible by 6. Now next, draw the factor tree for the following example for a prime factor tree type. For a first one example and the second one example. For a first one example is our 18. The solution of the example is our 8. First of all, we have to draw the 18. It means that we have will be prime number is means what? Here will be 2 3 is our prime number, because it has 2 factor 1 in itself. Here will be 18. We have to write is that 2 9 ja 18. Here will be 18, we have to write it. Here will be 2 and 9. Now see, here will be 9. You can be also write in the form of 3 multiplied by 3, because 3 3s are 9 and the 3 is also a prime number. That is why here will be 2 9s are 18 and here will be 9 can be represented by the 3 3s are 9. Okay, and second one example for using the 56. Now we have to show 56 for an example. Here will be 56. 56 you can be also write it. Here will be 2 multiplied by 28, because 2 multiplied by 28 is our 56. Also 28 you can be also write it. Here will be 2 multiplied by 14. Okay, because 28 divided by 2, definitely your answer will become in 14, and the 14 you can be also write it 2 multiplied by 7, and the 2 and 7 both are the prime number. Again next step is now solid. This is our 2 and 7. This is our way we have to solve the prime factor tree. Today I already discussing about the topic. Actually your example is based on the we have to find the common factor, common multiple and factor. And I already discussed that how can we draw the tree factor, how can we solve the divisibility rule. First of all, the divisibility rule for the 2, it means what? The divisibility of a 2 rule, the last digits are 0 2 4 6 and 8. This is our divisibility by 2. Divisibility rules for the 3, it means what? For all the addition and the divided by 3, definitely you get the divisible by 3. This is our way we have to solve the divisibility rules. We have to find a common factor, common multiple, and we have to draw the tree factor. Hope so everyone student understood the concept of the common multiple, factor, divisibility rule, and the tree factor. And then the next topic we start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.